Hi, my name is Lilah McDonald. I'm the founder of the public water project Water Us and the host of NZ Business Magazine podcast Sustainably Ever After. I travelled overseas with my family and I noticed this giant bank of drinking fountains in one of the towns over there. And I thought it was interesting because I'd never seen anything like that in New Zealand. And I noticed people were filling up big plastic water bottles that were used to store water from the drinking fountains. And I thought that was really interesting because those would otherwise be single use and they were given a second life and saved from landfill. So when I got back to New Zealand, I started doing some research about drinking fountains and discovered that they are very important not only for the environment but also for our community's health. And New Zealand doesn't have nearly as many as we should. So from there I embarked on my journey of starting the public water project and Water Us to fund drinking fountains. So my original plan to install drinking fountains was to ask businesses if they would sponsor one, but then COVID-19 hit and companies didn't exactly have extra money to fund projects like mine. So I decided to start Water Us, which is a company that sells environmentally friendly toilet paper, and 50% of the profits go to installing drinking fountains. We launched on Pledge Me in 2021 and successfully raised enough to order the first container. And within the first year we had funded 2 drinking fountains, which have been installed today. We've been working with the council for a few years now to get them installed, and I'm really excited that they finally are.
I'm Megan Jerome-Brace. I'm a Senior Project Coordinator here at Auckland Council. A lot of what we do at Council is around delivering for our community, and a water fountain is a small but really impactful way to just give back to the community. It's had its challenges, but it's also been really rewarding. Knowing that someone who's so passionate about getting water fountains installed meant that it was a passion project of mine too.
It means so much for this to come to life for me. I've always been really passionate about the environment, and I want to feel like I'm making a difference. I want to make a difference in the world, and I think this is one small way that I can do it. So seeing it just means a lot. More drinking fountains. I would love to install as many as possible. My first goal is 100. Auckland doesn't have nearly as many as it should, so any new ones being installed is really important. So I'm trying to install as many as possible. I'm going to keep selling toilet paper and hopefully I'll hit that goal.